Hello viewers, I am Mahesh Kumar Sarma, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law and Governance, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will be discuss very important topic of PTSD and adult delinquency in a prison population. Post-traumatic stress disorder is a mental health condition that triggered by a terrifying event, either experiencing it or witnessing it. Symptoms may include flashbacks, nightmares, and severe anxiety, as well as uncontrollable thoughts about the event. Most people who go through traumatic events may have temporary difficulty adjusting and coping, but with time and good self-care, they usually get better. If the symptoms get worse, last of months of even years, and interfere with your day-to-day functioning, you may have PTSD. Prevalence rates of PTSD are higher in the prison's population than in the commentary. We shout to systematically review the extent to which this disorder is associated with other mental health disorders, the problematic suicidal or aggressive behavior in a prison's population, high rate of psychiatric comorbidity among prisoners with PTSD and links to suicidal behavior, self-harm and aggressive behavior provide further support for the need for trauma-informed treatment approaches in prisons. However, significant gap in the current evidence were apparent, in particular a lack of large longitudinal study meant that the temporal relationship between PTSD and relevant outcomes cannot currently be determined.